Hi, lovely people. How are you? I'm doing great. I have another unboxing for you. I'm a little behind on them. If you don't know, I was having trouble uploading and I had to get a new computer. It had like a virus on it. This is an older one, so I'm still trying to get it. I kind of like zoomed it out a little bit. And my last one was the Joa box. And I read some of the comments and you guys said to zoom out a little bit. It was a little too bright. So let me know if this works for you. If it doesn't, please let me know so that I can adjust it. It's like 12:30 in the morning, but I gotta get these done and I miss you guys, and enough of me babbling. So if you read from my description, I'm going to be unboxing the January 2019 Bolzano subscription. Now what this is more like a pocketbook or a purse, a handbag subscription. It is a monthly subscription and I love handbags. So let me read up a little bit on it so I can tell you exactly. There's a couple options you can get. So you can get just this pocketbook alone, and that would be $28.95, or you can get the Bolzano purse and accessories, and that would be $33.95 a month. And they make everything there at Bolzano. They also started this new thing, I believe it's about $15 extra, where you can personalize each pocketbook or handbag every month by putting your initials or a little quote on there. They do that as well. So let's get into this bag. One also thing too, when you sign up, you take this big profile. It's like 52 questions. Do you like printed handbags? Do you like plain? Do you like bold colors? Do you not? What style? All different things, which is really good. So I do like that. I'll leave, like I said, everything down below for you. All right, so it comes in this like outer package. And let's see. And then this is exactly what it looks like when you open the bag. Let's see, is there something in here? Yeah. All right. So it always comes with a dust bag, which is great for the pocketbooks. I think that is so nice. It comes like this. So this month we have a little pop socket because this is the handbag and accessory subscription. So let's see. I can open this up. All right, so this comes off. And yeah, this is a free gift for a happy new year. Take this survey, tell us what you love, what you would like to see. So I guess everybody got a free gift. So that's good. All right. Now, also what they're doing, because I do get this sent free for review every month. Now, like I said, it is a monthly subscription, but if you are a new subscriber and you get a 3-month subscription, you get a free watch with it. And this is worth $129. So I think that's excellent. Like I said, I'll leave everything down below. I also have a discount code for you guys, so that will save you money off too. All right, let's see. How the heck do you open this thing? Oh, okay. So you just open it like this. Oh, this is pretty. So it comes with a little like pamphlet. Oh, this is really, oh my God, this is beautiful. Look at this, guys. That is gorgeous. Oh my God. Okay. I don't edit my videos, so I don't, let me just show you what it looks like right there. This is gorgeous. So like I said, this is a free gift if you sign up, but you have to sign up for the quarterly box for the 3 months. And so that's really, really pretty. Really pretty. All right, so let's open her up. All right, so this is the bag, what it looks like. And here are the accessories. Let's see. All right. So you have like a big pocket here, which I like. Now, this isn't something that I would go to the store and say, oh, I love that. But this is nice if you have a laptop to put in here, you know, a lot of things. I'm not knocking it. So you have a pocket here, which is nice. It's really, really deep. That thing is deep. And then you have a pocket in the front. It always says Bolzano. All right, let's open her up. Oh, well, there's a lot of pockets. Okay. So you have pockets here. You have these things here to put like pens or pencils. This is like a messenger bag, I believe what it's called. Like the old school back in the day when you would go to school and put your books in. So this is pretty cool, actually. Then you have another pocket here. So that's nice. Let's see what this says. Okay, so this is just plain. I think this is really nice. Really, really nice. Now that I'm looking at it, because it has a lot of pockets, I do like it. This wouldn't be something I would wear every day, but it's definitely something that I would definitely wear, you know? All right, so let's look in here and see what the accessories are. Where is my little blade? Okay, handy dandy blade. So while I'm doing this, yeah, comment down below, what do you think of the subscription? Do you like it? I love pocketbooks. I really, really do. And I love the fact that they accessorize the stuff. All right. So the first thing I'm seeing is this bracelet right here, which is really, really pretty, actually. And so, you know, adjustable. So I like that. I really do like that. All right, and then we have a neck. Oh, this is really pretty. This is really pretty. So we have this necklace, like, it looks like that, or you can turn it around and wear it like that. Like that. That's really, really pretty. I would definitely wear this as well, because this kind of goes with the bag. I think this is nice. If you had a pair of boots like this color or like a jacket, I really do like it now that I'm looking at it. At first I'm like, but I really do. You can put a lot of stuff in there. I can put my laptop, my iPad or whatever, and it has a lot of pockets. So I mean, you know, it's an okay. Like I said, it wouldn't be something that I would go and say, oh, I love it, but I would definitely use this. And like I said, the profile, if you don't like it, you can email them, you can let them know. You can't return it if you don't like it, but you can adjust your profile. And I think it's nice. I really like the bracelet. Oh, that's right. There's one more thing in here. Okay, let's take this off and let's see what is in this little bag. What is this? So what would this be? So this is like a little necklace, but for what? I'm not sure. Comment down below, what is this for? Can't be like maybe you could wrap it around a couple times, maybe, you know, to make it layered. I'm not sure. Comment down below. Does it have, it doesn't have anything. I don't know. Like I said, it's after 12:30 in the morning. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this subscription? And this watch is really pretty. I really do like it. That's an incentive. And that's valued at $129. Now, if you are still here, I want to tell you what is on my face, because at the end of the video, sometimes I do like a mini review. And on my eyes, if you like my eye look, I got the Sultry palette. Now, I also got this in my Beautylish mystery bag, and that is going into my 2-year giveaway, which will be up in a few days. But I had just ordered this as well, so I was like, oh my God, I got 2 of them now. So this is the first time that I actually put this on my eyes, and it's really pretty. The packaging is beautiful. And then when you open it up, it comes with the mirror, and then it comes with the brush. But these are the colors right here. And I just really think they're pretty. At first, I didn't know if I would like it, but I really, really love it. I love all of Anastasia's, the formula. It's just like the Modern Renaissance formula. And what else do I have? And the Soft Glam. These are, they are my, God, and get it out. They are my top 3 of all of her eyeshadow palettes that I really, truly recommend. This is more a cool tone palette, so I didn't think I would like it. But I do. I stepped out of my comfort zone, so I think it's absolutely beautiful. Another thing I want to tell you what I have been using that I really like. This is the Slay All Day from Gerald Cosmetics, and this is a setting spray. This is in, what is this? Green tea. And I love this so much. I have a code down below. If you use it, you can get 30% off. That is not the reason why I'm telling you. I really enjoy this. I don't know if it makes your makeup last longer, but what I use it for, after I do my foundation and my concealer, and then I go ahead and powder my face, I will go ahead and spray my face. I love the spray on here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Like, the mist is really, really nice. It kind of reminds me of like the Morphe spray, the new spray that they have, like the aerosol can. It's kind of like what this is, the sprayer, and it smells really good. One thing about this is the full size. I believe this is $22, but they have mini sizes, and they have white tea, they have lavender, they have peach, they have cucumber, they have watermelon. I like the watermelon, the cucumber, I like the coconut, and I also like this. And to try the mini size to see what you like, I think is really, really good. Plus, you get that 30% off. So, like I said, I really like it. And it doesn't really go for the lasting power, but it definitely melts the powder in. If you can see, I don't look powdery. And then I go ahead and finish doing my blush, bronzer, highlighter, all that stuff. And then I go in again, and I take my Dampen Beauty blender and I just push in. And I really like it. So I definitely recommend these if you haven't tried this already. But that's everything I have to say. I missed you guys. Now that I have a new computer, I can start my uploading. Comment down below what you think. Is it too zoomed in, too bright? Let me know all the tea. It will not hurt my feelings. I just need to know so I can fix it. And I think that's all I have to tell you. As always, guys, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe if you want to get into that huge giveaway. All right, guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.